Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing some mock trades for you today. I am on my AvaTrade account. They allow demo practice accounts, so follow the link in my description and sign up for a demo account. It's completely free, and then once you sign in, you can scroll down here to the bottom, click on, you can either download their platform or do web trading. I'm just going to do web trading for today. It'll open up this box, an email with this login information, password, and the server to use your demo, but if you lose that information or if it expires, you can just click on this here, put your information in here. 100K is fine, leverage 100 is fine. Forex USD, I'm in America, so click next. It'll register you, give you this temporary login information. Just hit complete and it should log you in here. So I don't really like their charts that much. I've always been a fan of external charts, so I use this website xe.com to look at currency pairs and charts in a better chart format that I like, where it's easy to look at long-term trends and things like that. But yeah, this platform's pretty easy to use. That's why I like it, especially because they offer practice. But so I'm gonna look at some of these pairs here. I think I was looking at the British pound versus the USD earlier, so let me check that out. So let's take a look here. Alright, so this has been, let me see, yeah. Pretty much over the last year, it's been appreciating pretty consistently against the US dollar, and I think today it's kind of continued on that trend. So if you even look in the last 12 hours, this is a pretty solid trend, man. That's pretty much been consistent over the last year, even to the up to the day and the hour. So I'm going to make a play on that. So this is GBP to USD appreciation. So you would buy, if this was your currency pair, GBUSD, the GBP is listed first, so you want to buy. So how this works is, just screwing something up. Alright, so how much did that buy? That's why. 1.39. Okay. I forgot that I'm buying. Okay, this is a good lesson. So I'm buying GBP to USD, not USD to GBP. So I was thinking I'd be buying it at 0.85 or whatever it is, the opposite way, but it's actually the other way around. So I'm buying it at 1.39 with leverage 100. So the actual trade is going to be 35 times 100. So we bought about, let me see. Alright guys, sorry about the confusion earlier. So what I learned quickly on this is that it starts out at, always at 1.0. This is actually 100. So every time you click this, it's going down by $1. So 1.0 is actually 100. So what I did 35, I'm actually doing 3,500, and if you times that by my leverage, I actually bought almost $100,000 exactly of equity, and then this is actually a practice margin account too, so it's actually using some of my margin as well in this trade. I won't go into specifics about it, but basically I bought about $100,000 worth of currency, which is a lot. But as you can see, I'm in profit right now, so I want to show you guys. I know all my previous videos I've been negative, so over the last 10 minutes or so, with this is a large trade. This is something that most people would not be able to fund or afford. But again, I do everything in exaggeration to sort of make the videos quicker and show results quicker. So here's a profit of about $1,000. I'm going to let it sit a little longer, and then I'll close the trade out and check back in with you guys in a sec. Alright guys, I'm back. The price and the profit has fluctuated up to about, I think that most of it was like $3,000 profit. It's been over an hour, I think, now, since when I last left you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and close the trade out, take this little profit that I have here, and the one thing I'm going to show you is that I'm waiting for my profit to get around 350, 400. So what you can do is, if I double click on this trade here, you can put a conditional order in to buy at a certain price. So let me see what I'm looking at. 1-3. We'll go 1-3-8-5-6 here. And oh wait, actually it just jumped. Hold on. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's just take this profit right now as it is. There we go. Boom. So if you look at our balance now, we started with 100 grand. Now we're at almost 101,000. So almost $1,000 profit. It could have only taken about 5-6 minutes, but I've let it go for about an hour. So it looks like it's over the last, what is this, 30 minutes, 15 hour. Let's look at 4 hours. So I think I bought it at, where's my history? So don't look at this because I deleted this. But if you look at this, I bought $1.39835 and sold at 863. So not bad, not bad at all. That's a pretty small movement, and because it's, you know, so magnified because of the leverage and the margin, it turned into about $1,000 profit there. So I just wanted to do one trade here where I made a profit, because I know in my previous videos there were I was losing money. So looks like you can do gold in this too. That may be interesting to look at. Gold doesn't fluctuate that significantly though, so this is interesting. How do I change the map over here? There we go. Gold just doesn't fluctuate that much though, so what is a minute now? What's this look like? I know gold's been up like significantly over the See, the thing I don't like about this is it only goes up to weekly. I think you can hit monthly too, but then I want to look at like the past 5-6 years. I don't know if this has gold in it. I doubt it. Excuse me. Oh, I got Bitcoin. Here, gold. Yeah, here. Is it gold to USD? Yeah, gold to USD. Yeah, see, this chart goes with 10 years. So past 10 years, I know gold went up significantly. So actually, that's kind of surprising. So back in I guess 2008 is only 10 years ago. I'm actually thinking about more than 10 years ago. Looks like I'm limited to that. I know in like the early 2000s and the 90s, it was like down to like closer to 500. So about 1,000. Then the highest it ever went was in the mid 2011, about almost up to $2,000 an ounce. So yeah, this just gold just doesn't fluctuate that much. It's a very stable thing to invest in. So if you're looking for more stability, gold is actually something decent to invest in. But that's interesting that you can trade gold on here too. So that's good to know. What other weird things do they have in here? Gold, silver. That's about it. Alright guys, so that should end the video for now. Just take a little profit here, about $1,000 profit. Let me know if you have any questions, and the link for this demo account is in the description. Just use my referral link if you don't mind. I don't really get paid anything if it's just a demo account, but I just like to track how many people are coming over to this platform. So, alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Have another video out shortly. Have a great day.